A survey is a method used for collecting data from a predefined set of users to get information and insights on a topic of interest. A survey provides a critical source of data and insights for nearly everyone engaged in the information economy, from businesses to governments as well as academics. Data on its own means nothing without proper analysis. Thus, you need to make sure your survey assessment produces meaningful results that help make decisions that ultimately improve your business. To help you cater to this requirement, VIDIZMO brings a unique touch to mundane survey reports to help you get most desired insights produced from surveys within a few clicks. Analyzing survey results help you gain useful insights from data that has been collected. In this video, we will be looking at viewing and analyzing survey reports in VIDIZMO. You can access survey reports by selecting Media Manager from the side pop-up menu on your portal's homepage. Click on the survey you want to analyze and select Survey Report from the selected media pane. You can view survey results from a specific time. You can also enter a specific time frame from the Custom Report option. Click on Refresh Report to get the updated results. You can see the participants' response rate and the average time each participant spent on the survey. The survey report also gives details on the responses given by each participant, such as the number of questions attempted, which questions were left unattempted, and the responses given to each question. You can also check the date and time when the survey was attempted. From the download icon on the top right corner, you can also download data for offline viewing. The survey report also gives you an overview of the questions asked in the survey. You can see the number and percentage of participants that selected a certain option for a specific question. These results can also be seen in the form of a histogram for a clearer understanding. Moreover, you can also see the response given to that question by each participant. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.